Primary 3, Maths, Second Term, Chapter 5, Lesson 106. Remember two steps to a problem using the addition and subtraction. A farmer bought 25 sheep to his farm. There were 37 sheep in the barn already, and 15 sheep in the barn belonged to his brother. So, how many sheep are now to the farm? Number of sheep belong to his brother is 37, all of the sheep, minus the 15 that belongs to his brother, equal 22 sheep. So the 22 sheep is belong to the farmer. The number of sheep that belong to the farmer now, 22 plus the 25 new sheep, equal 47 sheep belongs to the farmer. Number 2. Bird's cage has 45 birds of many colors. If 16 birds of them are blue and 28 birds are yellow, how many birds are green? So, the number of blue and yellow, 16 plus 28, equal 44 birds. So the number of the green, we have 45 minus the blue and the yellow birds, 44, equal 1 green bird. Perimeter and area of geometric shapes for a problem. Number 1. Mrs. Alia asked Jana to calculate the area and the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool, whose length is 9 meters and width 5 meters. So the area, length by width, 9 by 5 equal 45 meters squared. The perimeter, length plus width by 2, 9 plus 5 by 2, equal 14 by 2 equal 28. The double 14, 28 meters. If Alia's swimming pool had the same perimeter but with a square, draw the square and label the sides, then find the area. The same perimeter means the perimeter of the square is 28. Okay? The square has 4 equal sides. It's the square has 4 equal sides. So each side equal, the side equal 28 divide 4 equal 7 meters. So 7 meters for each side. Then the area side by side equal 7 by 7 equal 49 meters squared. And the perimeter is 28 meters. Number 2. A square-shaped roof of side length 6 meters. Draw your board, then find the perimeter of the area of this roof. Okay, I have a roof with 6 meters for each side. So the area side by side for 6 by 6 for 36 meters squared. The perimeter side by 4, 6 by 4 means 28 meters. What if the room had the same perimeter but was a triangle? A triangle with 3 sides. Draw a triangle and label the sides. Okay, this triangle has the same perimeter of the square, so 20 meters, and the perimeter equals 20 meters. if the triangle has three equal sides. So the side length equal 28 divided 3 equal 8 meters for each side. Number 4. Adam has a rectangular garden with length of 10 meters and width of 6 meters. Find the perimeter and the area of this garden. So, Adam has a garden with dimensions 10 meters and 6 meters. So the area of this rectangle, length by width, equal 10 by 6 or 16 meters squared. And the perimeter of this rectangle, length plus width by 2. 10 plus 6 by 2. 10 plus 6, 16 by 2, the double of 16 is 32 meters. What if the garden had the same perimeter, but was an octagon? The octagon has a side. Draw the octagon and label the sides. The perimeter of this octagon has the same perimeter of this rectangle, so equal 32 meters. If the octagon has equal sides of length, okay, all eight are equal in length. So the side length of this octagon 32 divide 8 because the octagon has 8 sides. So each side equal 4 meters. Number 4. Mr. Akram hires a landscape artist to design his front yard. The rectangular yard of is of measures 7 meters and 4 meters. Find the area and the perimeter of Mr. Akram's front yard. So the area of this rectangular yard, length by width, 7 by 4 equal 28 meters squared, and the perimeter, length plus width by 2, 7 plus 4 by 2, 7 plus 4 equal 11, 11 by 2 equal 22 meters. What if the front yard had a same perimeter but with triangle? Draw the triangle and label the sides. The, the, the perimeter of the triangle has the perimeter of the rectangle equal 22 meters. The triangle has three sides. We can divide 22 by 3. If this triangle has equal sides, we can divide the perimeter by 3. But 22 divide 3, we can divide it by 3. So, the first side will be 6, and second side 6, and the third side 10 meters. So, if we add 6 plus 6 equal 12, 12 plus 10 equal 22 meters. So this triangle has different side lengths. The two sides has each one 6 meters and the last side will be 10 meters. We can change the length of the three sides, but it has to be the addition or the sum of the three sides equal all together 22 because the perimeter equal 22. My triangle, the three sides of my triangle, the two sides equal 6 meters and the last side 10. If anyone would want to change it, it's alright, but the total has to be 22. Adam made his birthday party in a square garden of side length 10. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Side by side, the area of the square 10 by 10 equal 100 meters squared, and the perimeter of the square side by 4 equal 10 by 4 equal 40 meters. What if the garden has the same perimeter but was a pentagon? Draw the pentagon and label the sides. The pentagon has 5 sides. So, the perimeter of this pentagon is equal to the perimeter of the square, 40 meters. If the pentagon has 5 equal sides, so the length of each side of this pentagon is 40 divided 5 equal 8 meters. So each side equal 8 meters. Number 6. Layla draws a rectangle with length 6 centimeter and 3 centimeters. The perimeter of this rectangle length plus width by 2. So 6 plus 3 by 2. 6 plus 3 equal 9 by 2 equal 18 centimeters. The area of this rectangle length by width 6 by 3 equal 18 centimeters square. Noor draws another rectangle with length of 5 meters and width 3 centimeters. The perimeter of this rectangle is plus 6 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2, 8 by 2 equals 16 meters. And the area of this rectangle length by width 5 by 3, 15 meters square. What would be the perimeter if they draw the two rectangles side by side? Then find the new area. This is Layla's rectangle and this is new rectangle. The length of the big rectangle, 6 plus 5 equal 11 centimeters. Then find the perimeter of the two rectangles of the big rectangle, length plus width by 2. The length is 11 and the width is 3 by 2. 11 plus 3 or 14 by 2, the double of 14 is 28 centimeters. The area of the two rectangles or the big rectangle, length by width, 11 by 3, 33 meters square. What did you note? If we add the first area, 18, and second area, 15, 18 plus 15 makes 33 meters, equal the big area or the area of the two rectangles. Draw 3 rectangles and lay them above each other to make one large rectangle as a building's floor. If each rectangle is of dimensions 4 cm long and 2 cm width, then find the perimeter and the area of the large rectangle. The perimeter of one rectangle length plus width by 2, 4 plus 2 by 2, 6, 4 plus 2 equals 6, 6 by 2 equals 12 centimeters. And the area of one rectangle length by width, 4 by 2 equals 8 centimeters square. The perimeter of all three rectangles. We have to know the large length of this three rectangles. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So the length here of the three rectangles is 6 centimeters. Then the perimeter, length plus width by 2, 6 plus 4, the width 4, 6 plus width by 2, 10, 6 plus 4 equal 10 by 2, equal 20 centimeters. And the area of the large or three rectangles, length by width, 6 by 4, 24 centimeters square. What did you note? The area of one rectangle by 3. If we put the area of one rectangle, the 8, by 3, makes 24 centimeters squared. Number 8. Draw two rectangles laid side by side as one long rectangle. The first will be 6 centimeters long and 2 centimeters width, and the second 3 centimeters long and 2 centimeters width. Find the perimeter of and the area of the new long rectangle. The perimeter of one rectangle. So I will get the perimeter of each rectangle. The first rectangle, length plus width by 2, 3 plus 2 by 2, 5, 3 plus 2 equal 5 by 2 equal 10 centimeters. And the perimeter of the second rectangle, length plus width by 2, 6 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2 equal 16 meters. The area of each rectangle, length by width, 3 by 2 equals 6 meters squared. And second rectangle, length by width, 6 by 2 equal 12 centimeters squared. Okay, the long side of these two rectangles, or the big rectangle, 6 plus 3 equal 9 centimeters. So the big rectangle, 9 centimeters long and 2 centimeters width. So the perimeter of the two rectangle, or the big rectangle, length plus width by 2, 9 plus 2 by 2, 11 by 2 equal 22 meters. And the area of the long rectangle, length by width, 9 by 2 equal 18 meters squared. What did you note? The first area plus the second area equal 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 equal 18 meters squared. Draw three rectangles laid above each other to make one large rectangle as a building floor. If each rectangle have 5 meters as a length and 4 centimeters as a width, then find the perimeter and the area of the large rectangle. The perimeter of one rectangle, length plus width by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2 equal 9 by 2 equal 18 centimeters. And the area of one rectangle, length by width, 5 by 4 equal 20 centimeters squared. The perimeter of all three rectangles, the length the length of the long or the three rectangles together equal 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 12 centimeters. So the perimeter of the all three rectangles, or the big rectangle, equal length plus width by 2. 12 plus 5 by 2 equal 17 by 2 equal 34. The double of 17, 34 centimeters. The area of all three rectangles, length by width, 12 by 5 equals 60 centimeters squared. What did you notice? Area of one rectangle by 3. If we multiply the area of one rectangle, 20, by 3 equal 60 centimeters squared. Thank you.